Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can delete your Instagram account. For that matter, what you're going to do is simply going to go ahead, access your Instagram account on your phone, and you're going to find this kind of interface in the home section. Right afterwards, simply going to go ahead, tap on your profile icon on below right corner, tap on this three horizontal line on top, and this kind of interface gonna pop up. Go ahead, tap on this option called account center, and tap on this option called personal details. Now this kind of interface gonna pop up with all kind of information regarding and including account ownership and control. Tap on it. Now you can see this option called deactivation or deletion below. Tap on it, and now we're going to choose our Instagram account, which is just right over here. And now we're going to choose this option called delete account below and tap on continue. Again, choose a reason. For us, we're going to go ahead, too many ads, or any reason that is bothering you. Tap on continue, and now again you're going to tap on this continue option. This option is only appearing because of the advertising, otherwise it will simply redirect you to this option where you're going to go ahead, enter your password of your Instagram account and tap on this continue, and your account will be deleted successfully. So this will be it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I will be seeing you guys in our next video.